In this video, let me show you how you can drop items in Roblox Mobile. First, open the Roblox app and search for any game. I'll use Bed Wars as an example. This method works in most games that support item dropping. Once you've launched the game, go ahead and expand it so it's easier to see. Click on play and join a queue or any mode. I'll just use the tutorial for this demo. After the game loads, check your inventory at the bottom of the screen. If there's an option to open the inventory, tap it. For me, it shows up as an E icon. Now, if you want to drop an item, tap and hold on the item. If the game allows it, you'll be able to drag and drop it out for your inventory. For example, if I try to drop a sword by holding and dragging it, I'll see whether it can be released or not. Some items, like a default sword, may not be droppable because they're required in the game. And that's basically how to drop items in Roblox Mobile. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.